Actually, a lot of people, I think most Americans do have a food issue. There's a lot of eating disorders out there, and they do go unrecognized. And if you look at a lot of addicts when they come into treatment, when they were using drugs or alcohol, and now they're coming into treatment, what drug do they have now? But food. So they actually switch addictions, so they transfer of addiction, and it's very, you'll find it a lot. Also, gastric bypass patients, once they have surgery, after gastric bypass, their drug of choice was their food, and then they end up, you know, drinking alcohol or taking pills. So you get a lot of correlation with eating issues and addiction, always.
I love the staff. You know, being around a Christian setting where you can freely talk about the Lord has been my heart for the 30 years that I've worked in the field of addiction. And we're all close like family. I think the one thing that is unique is a lot of times in a therapeutic community, you're only allowed to have your client and caseload, and you're not allowed to really speak to the other clients, and the other therapists are not allowed to speak to yours. That's not the way we do it here. It's all family. Everybody cares about all the clients here.